Discover the ultimate in Emerald Isle living with this stunning waterfront reverse floor plan that epitomizes open concept design. Enjoy the beauty of beach life without the typical crowd, all while benefiting from a prime elevated location that ensures you'll stay high and dry for years to come. This home is currently a great vacation rental, making it a fantastic investment opportunity. With 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, this property boasts dual kitchens, dual living rooms, and dual dining rooms, perfect for entertaining. Expansive decks provide breathtaking views of the Intracoastal Waterway, ICW, and the Atlantic Ocean, making every moment unforgettable. Let's not forget the office space, your work from home dream. This home comes fully furnished, with only a few exceptions, so get ready to start enjoying your new home right away. The principal suite is a true sanctuary, featuring water views from the king-sized bed and an ensuite bath that includes a relaxing soaker tub, double vanities, a glass door tile shower, and deck access. On the second floor, you will find the principal suite, 2 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, and convenient laundry facilities. The top floor is a spacious and inviting kitchen dining living combo, along with an office and a half bath, ideal for modern living. The ground floor is designed for versatility, featuring an in-law suite with a full kitchen, laundry, 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a comfortable kitchen living dining area. The ample garage provides excellent storage for your water toys and beach gear. This property includes a shared dock with access to the ICW, perfect for fishing, kayaking, or simply tying up your boat after an island hopping day. With easy access to the pristine Emerald Isle beaches, shopping, and dining options nearby, this home truly offers the best of coastal living. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Just add water to your lifestyle.